Hello. I'm so excited to meet all of you. Welcome to the Hearty City of Cape Town, South Africa. Before I go a little further, I want to give you a little introduction of myself. My name is Jacqueline, but everyone calls me Jackie for short. I'm 100% Ghanaian and a proud one as such, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Everything Jackie Channel. Well, this channel, like I said earlier, this channel cuts across tourism, culture, relationships, food, finances, business opportunities, lifestyle videos, and so much more. But before I say I go to the next round, there's so many interesting places I want to show you in Cape Town, South Africa. So don't you even move. I'll be right back. Stay tuned. Well, hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Everything Jackie Channel. Thank you so much for clicking and watching. Guys, this is my first video on this channel. Believe it or not, Everything Jackie Channel except from our trip to South Africa, specifically Cape Town. A nice, beautiful and well-planned city. So vast, so huge, but accessible. I am currently on the Baden-Powell Road, heading towards an old colonial town called Stellenbosch, which is the second most oldest city in Cape Town. Whenever you visit South Africa, do not forget to pass through Stellenbosch. Stellenbosch is paraded with beautiful landscaping wine farms. I'm actually standing in one currently. The view is fantastic. The greenness, the natural serene atmosphere, it just feels as though you are back to the Garden of Eden. Stellenbosch is worth visiting. Guys, we cannot leave Stellenbosch without passing through Polka Drive Farms, or what is referred to in Cape Town as strawberry farms. People from all over come here to have a feel of harvesting by picking up strawberries, horse riding, truck riding, food courts and local Capetonian dishes at their food courts. The atmosphere here is so great. You can't miss it for all the rice in China. Anytime you visit Cape Town, make sure you visit the strawberry farms. Like, comment, subscribe and share. Also, do not forget to hit the notification button so that anytime I post a video, you will be notified. Thanks for watching. Until I see you again in my next video, I say remember to have a great day.